Hello again. On Monday, it was 55 days since we admitted our first COVID positive patient, and so much has happened in such a short period of time. So today I want to reflect and recognise just how far we have come. And I want to thank you for all that you have achieved and your amazing work. And I know all too well that behind the impressive facts and figures, there are many personal stories of long days and tough nights, not only for you, but also for your family and friends. And so I want to thank them too. But now let me take you through our first 55 days in facts and figures. In the recruitment appeal, 3,170 people have applied to work here in the Belfast Trust. That includes 45 recently retired staff who have asked to return to the Trust to help us, and 211 new members of staff have already started. In addition, we have 190 final year nursing and midwifery students, and 95 medical students are working as student technicians supporting our COVID teams. We have organised accommodation for 151 members of staff. We have provided over 900 childcare places for the children of our staff. Our occupational health support line has provided support and advice to over 5,000 members of staff, and our catering teams have risen to the bake-off challenge and are cooking an extra 5,000 meals every day. We have tested over 2,000 staff to date for COVID-19. And for those social distancing, we are supporting over 1,000 members of staff to work remotely from home. We have had almost 4,000 members of staff virtually connecting with each other using Microsoft Teams. And we have delivered over 12,000 outpatient consultations over the phone. Staff in the Recovery College ran their first virtual live event to over 100 people needing support in the community. And already there are plans in place to run the next, offering it to over 1,000 people. Since we have stopped all visiting to our hospitals, we have staff operating a new patient inquiry hub so that any relative or loved one who rings about a patient gets an answer 7 days a week. NiStar has safely carried out 43 COVID patient transfers, and we have seen and treated over 500 patients in our COVID Community Assessment Centre at Beach Hall. The professionalism and willingness shown by all our staff to do what needs to be done is both humbling and inspiring. Nearly 430 nursing staff, allied health professionals, and admin and medical staff have been upskilled and redeployed specifically to support our COVID effort. In particular, 170 staff in Children's Community Services have been redeployed, and 180 colleagues in our physiotherapy service have all received additional respiratory training. 270 pieces of specialist equipment has been moved from the Royal Hospital to support the City Hospital, and the estates team have pulled out all the stops to get the Mater ready as a dedicated COVID-19 hospital. And their work has also transformed the Belfast City Hospital Tower into the Nightingale Hospital, increasing the capacity to care for those most ill across Northern Ireland from 13 intensive care beds to 230 intensive care beds. It is one of the most impressive transformations that I have ever witnessed. 2,300 face visors for personal protective equipment have been made by our Rehabilitation Engineering Centre at Musgrave Park Hospital. And within the first 55 days of COVID-19, life of the Trust continues, albeit through a different norm. We have delivered 660 babies, and our patients in Muckamore Abbey Hospital have been playing their part to support the COVID work and have painted 57 rainbows for NHS heroes and shared them across many hospital sites brightening our day. And they have also planted over 800 flowers, which will brighten our future. So, in just 55 days, you have achieved all of this and more. You have kept our patients and our clients safe. You have looked after our families and our friends. You have supported each other, and I couldn't be more proud of you. Thank you again.